Hey guys, it's Ark here, and I'm bringing you some airsoft gameplay footage from Stryker Paintball and Airsoft located in Santa Paula, California. Here's to kick off the channel, as I am joined today by my great friend Alejandro, more properly known as Budget Bug. I'll leave a link in the description if you would like to check out his stuff, but other than that, let's get to some good gameplay. This match is a simple 4-on-4 team deathmatch.
Oh shit! Ah!
Yeah, I just slipped on some wet mud right there.
Ah! Ah! No! Fucking mud slippery. Hold on, friendly! Thanks, son. Yeah, I slipped.
Unfortunately, after I slipped and respawned back in, we were already being pushed back to our spawn.
That mud's no joke, dude. Hold on, I'm cleaning my gun. Whew. But whose side are you on?
I'm on here now.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nope. Too much hop up. One with these.
You know what's our best bet?
Hey.
This is another 4-on-4 single elimination match on Western.
You think so?
I feel like it is. Not that thing, the big ass. Hit!
Oh, really? Got him. Baby, oh. Yeah, I'm out. Dead man coming out.
This next game is King of the Hill.
So you had to switch teams? Alright.
My plan for this game, since I'm only carrying a pistol and a knife, was to instantly run to the hill and try to hold it as long as possible.
Tank?
I think so.
Yeah. Hit!
Yeah, I guess my plan to instantly rush the hill did not work out after all. On my second attempt, I decided to take a more patient and careful approach to the target building.
Nope. Oh, I got him. Fuck yeah, I got him. Go. Push.
Yeah, that was probably my best pistol shot of the day.
How we looking, man? How we looking? How we looking? Oh, okay, I saw that. Be careful with this left side, they might come around.
Make it to the next one.
It's kind of, yeah. Try to make it around that building. Go, 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 go! Now! I'll cover you. Move up, move up. Cover fire, moving up. Go, go! Oh, shit!
Dang it, I got hit.
Watch the right side. How are we looking?
Shit. Hit.
Fuck.
That's how we're looking.
Yeah. Okay.
As I realized there was already enemy players in the target building,
I
my
need your cover
next
fire.
decision
Shoot
was
high,
to rush the
I'ma go
building
low.
and possibly throw a
Okay.
thunder bee in the window to clear them all out.
Just you, huh? Careful, okay? 1, 2, 3, cover now. One, two, three, go! Cover fire!
Now all that's left to do is to prime my Thunder Beam and chuck it inside the building. At this point, I realized I dropped my pistol mag when I ran to the building.
Ah! Fuck! Ah. When that spoon slips, fuck! Ah, I fucked that shit up. Ah, that was embarrassing. Oh, that was fucking embarrassing.
What happened?
Spoon slipped and I blew myself up.
On this last attempt, me and Keegan tried to push up.
Left, Keegan? On your back.
Motherfucker. Why don't you call your hits?
I know, right?
Let's go.
Let's go. On your back again.
Hey, mate. Pass you through.
At this moment, I didn't realize until after the match when my friend Keegan slipped and fell on mud right after he got off the box he was standing on top of.
Oh, fuck. Watch the right side. I got you on the right. Got him. Okay. Got one on the right.
Watch left.
Left. Got you. Ah, there's my other knife. Go for it. Go, 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 go.
Opposite side of the tank! Shot, mate.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Despite blowing myself up, we still managed to get the win. This next round was a river roulette match in which two teams had to fight and push the other team back to their spawn point, in which the pawn acts as a visible barrier in which you cannot shoot across. You can't see it on camera, but I managed to get at least 3 kills through this tiny little crack.
Hey, how we looking? Oh, God. Got him!
Due to this excitement, I was unaware that my GoPro was slowly getting tangled in this mesh.
Oh, that was a good shot. Oh, I'm caught! Damn it. Friendly! I'm in a sticky situation! Thank you. Gosh.
You could say I could have easily taken off my helmet, but everyone knows what happened to that one dude in Saving Private Ryan.
Ah.
We eventually managed to push them back far enough and take the win.
Straight up.
Alright, that's going to be it for this video. Stay tuned if you want some more videos in the future. If you would like to visit this park, I'll put some info in the description below. Other than that, I'll see you guys later.
And I can't do it right now.
Put bamboo spikes under his nails or something.
Sorry if the guys, sorry if it appeared a little shaky.